Hello and welcome to Mr. Wiley Teaches Math. Today we're going to talk about conditions for congruent triangles. In other words, how do we know if triangles are congruent to each other? We have three cases, or three ways that we know without measuring, without getting the protractor and the ruler out. Because for congruency to be true, all sides and all angles have to be equal. So in this case, the first case, if the sides are equal, the triangles are congruent. And short form for this is side, side, side. So case one, side, side, side. If we have two triangles, and it doesn't matter how they're oriented, if we have three sides and they're all equal, this one's equal to that, that to that, that, side, 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 in that case the triangles are congruent. Case two is side, angle, side. If these 3 points that are congruent to each other, we know that the triangles are congruent. I can see that they're not from the drawing, but we're just going to mark them like they are. So if we have a side, two sides that are congruent, an angle that's congruent, we'll mark those with X's and O's, and then another side that's congruent, the triangles are congruent. They just have to be. If we have 3 points of congruency, then they have to be congruent. And the final is angle, side, angle. So if I have an angle that's congruent, then I have a side that's marked as congruent, and in another angle, the triangles are congruent. So my three cases, if I have three sides, the triangles are congruent. If I have a side, an angle, and a side, they are congruent. Or if I have angle, side, angle, the two triangles are congruent. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the class website for additional examples in the assignment.